PABs.
We used to jump out of polos, now we're just dumping corn and jags. Anyway, we glide with waps. It might take man time to react. I dare anyone chat about Sav. That's me, S and Rams in the back. We already know about gliding, but they can't say the same back. We got paintings, breast and backs. We got dead things, hold our waps. Anywhere it goes in South man's at. Slap that mash and not give a dash. See school days they were horrid, shank in my pocket. Who's really trying to act bad? All of the waps man's copping. This ain't stopping till someone else gets packed. Me and YR we had it in lessons. The beef was Pete year 10. Boy, it got intense, yeah, 11. I left school long time, then he got wetted. Started his big boss dressing. Any beef man's on it like lettuce. I move long with the ball like Messi. I beg them man loud the acting like we ain't had this kit like Tekken. We out here taking risk, and them man in by 7:30. Every time we get round there and we don't see nothing, them man them stressing. Every time we get round there and we don't see nothing, it's mad depressing. If the ops don't know about boots, then they definitely don't know about laces. Boots and dust don't leave no traces. 3 man up to the back 6 spacious. And Fez got hate for the gang. Always tryna scope out faces. Wanna know if a toast tug's famous. No comment, same way in the station. And it's still life cool, we blazing. We used to jump out of polos, now we're just dumping corn and jags. Anyway, we glide with waps. It might take man time to react. I dare anyone chat about Sav. That's me, S and Rams in the back. We already know about gliding, but they can't say the same back. We got paintings, breast and backs. We got dead things, hold our waps. Anywhere it goes in South man's at. Slap that mash and not give a dash. See school days they were horrid, shank in my pocket. Who's really trying to act bad? All of the wax man's copping. This ain't stopping till someone else gets packed. I don't play no one's hero. I don't play no one's friend. I'm cold to the heart, Sub-Zero. The man them love skirt with skanks. I'm out in the field with my amigos. You didn't even know what happens offset. There's ops in the end, shags. Now we gotta ride on them, yes. Fill up the tank with petty. Now we got T doing rights and lefts. It's P getting top from a Jezzy. Just one L off, so hold her breath. All blacked out, hear the back doors pop and jet. Now they really know about legs. They turned soft when their friend got chefed. I used Usain Bolt from Feds. They gave Capo a ban from ends. I'm still out on the road with Breeze and S. Backstrap cookie for them. We score goals and rip through nets. We don't show when us man step. The man them glide and hope for the best. We rise hammers and tape off ends. What do you mean we ain't got no skanks? We used to jump out of polos, now we're just dumping corn and jags. Anyway, we glide with waps. It might take man time to react. I dare anyone chat about Sav. That's me, S and Rams in the back. We already know about gliding, but they can't say the same back. We got paintings, breast and backs. We got dead things, hold our waps. Anywhere it goes in South man's at. Slap that mash and not give a dash. See school days they were horrid, shank in my pocket. Who's really trying to act bad? All of the wax man's copping. This ain't stopping till someone else gets packed. Bow.
What's up, niggas? How y'all niggas living? Y'all alright? Everything good out here? What's up, baby? Good. Got that money for me, man? I gotta make moves.
Yeah, I got it. Ain't but not all of it.
What you mean, you ain't finished?
I got robbed, yo.
What the fuck you mean you got robbed, man? Who robbed?
That nigga dumb.
Nigga dumb.
Look, I'm cool, just came from Ghana. There's 1,000 grand on the suitcase. The guys thought I was on basic, but I had a TV wrapped on my duvet. The worker called my like I said he bumped into a London chopper. Back to shank, took that pack. Pure I been splattered. Put food in Sainsbury's bags. I ain't doing my shopping. Andy's following cats to the bando, lately and Jason plotting. I saw I got beef with the Marlies, trying to take over the town. Came out jail would've bought her a loser, the bitch we were holding it down. Ever seen 4 rats in the evidence bag? No way. Got cover my fear cause they might try to use what I said in my chats. My Leicester ting come back to the ends for the D, I just G and dash. Had you with my crush Wednesday banking packs up, so I shouldn't need no VAS. Could've gone uni, but I'm in a tea house chillin' with Scouts and Charlie. Bro whipped up 2 in the queue, getting sold for a brand new carty. 26 grands in the Pirates, I don't know nothing about student loan. My Samsung ran like 1,000 times that day, I had to mute my phone. Can't go back to the wing, that's urban butts and Coley noodles. 300 pence got 623, now they got bro's face on Google. Heard that they locked to the N25, thank God for Southwest trains. If put teeth in the mash, that's a new GoFundMe page. Banged up for 23 hours, dog just cancel exercise. See ops on a visit, you're not trying to catch up guys. Or to kill your mate, but like I never let that slide. Still take man's rollie, that bro let me get the time. Banged up for 23 hours, dog just cancel exercise. See ops on a visit, you're not trying to catch up guys. Or to kill your mate, but like I never let that slide. Still take man's rollie, that bro let me get the time. The man there pose with stolen jewelry. Chef man down or raw me. Can't get paid 12 times in a year, my child, but just went for me. Have you lost your marbles, TT like I do no 6 or 40s. Trip to the up block, we ain't like them, I putting that shit on my story. Made 15 bands in this tracksuit. Fuck with them big boy rollies, I don't know nothing about H and Samuel. Them knees try run up on me, wrong move to chef that nigga in public. The guys fucked up, bust my man's door, had alarm bells ringing on Dunlin. We ain't killing no innocent youths. The whole gang knows who we're after. Got tea house opposite Grandma's church that hide from my local pastor. Little man ain't got no heart. Get sold on the transfer market, or you might get sent on loan outside to a county line in Cardiff. Remember when I flushed 2 bags in the toilet? Feds at the door doing welfare checks so the cat don't make no noises. OT can't go Matt D's and time could have just scored no our faces. My right hand from the east side, 3 little T out in cages. Seen a young boy cradles, platform 9, don't miss that train. Used to get ounce for over a bag, now whip that flick. Hold on, cabman, jump on the Uber and flip my blade. That boy knows I am, I done to sister's face. Seen a young boy cradles, platform 9, don't miss that train. Used to get ounce for over a bag, now whip that flick. Hold on, cabman, jump on the Uber and flip my blade. That boy knows I am, I done to sister's face. Cut out my driller. Had a pagan dash, you screaming, runs got a zombie killer. That's TT like, make your phone turn off when you spot get bill up. Deliveries in the 17 plate in the town, I'm a known drug dealer. Burnt that bridge with BP petrol, all of my old friends bitter.
Let this nigga jump on you, man. Take your shit down my face, man. You got your fucking gun on you, man. What's wrong with y'all niggas? That nigga standing out here like the 3 Stooges of Harlem or something, bitch. They're gonna let this nigga come and take your shit, ain't you a motherfucking man? You gonna let him...
In jail, I was getting nuts like cashew. Peak times when the match blew. Ops get under my skin like a tattoo. Can't wait till I catch you. Black man's head like I'm washing out shampoo. It's deeper than rap tunes. Get man down like he just got bad news. Big stick, no bamboo.
Canteen sheets and breakfast packs got ran through. I'm back and I'm brand new. Cans of tuna, have meals looking like cat food. I'm back and I'm brand new. Anyone that said free RV, I thank you. I'm back and I'm brand new. How come you took off your mask? That's a mad move. I'm back and I'm brand new. Canteen sheets and breakfast packs got ran through. I'm back and I'm brand new. Cans of tuna, have meals looking like cat food. I'm back and I'm brand new. Anyone that said free RV, I thank you. I'm back and I'm brand new. How come you took off your mask? That's a mad move. I'm back and I'm brand new. I was crossing off dates in my calendar. Smoking loud on my cell, trying to cover that smell with a fragrance of lavender. Doing road on the other side, had skanks in the ride, me and H in the passenger. If man fell up that day with a blue in his face like Avatar, I got a lot of faith in my barrister, but I never put my trust in the next man. Police had to bring guns to arrest man. Grabbed by Trident, interview room I was silent, like I just come from an exam. Fed had me rotting on the wing. Devil wears Prada and I got it on my skin. I ain't got a trap no more, but I can't let go for the profit that it brings.
I can't.
Shell cartel, shell cartel, shell cartel, shell cartel, shell cartel. Ghosty, 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 ghosty. My girl said let someone else go match that work, why always me? Why? A lot of men say they're on stuff but talk is cheap. No points getting scored on me, I'll get man down on my Jordan 3s. I'm like Balotelli in Man City, why always me? My girl said let someone else go match that work, why always me? A lot of men say they're on stuff, but talk is cheap. No points getting scored on me, I'll get man down on my Jordan 3s. I'm like Balotelli in Man City, why always me? Me and some old friends had to part ways. Even them man are moist, I'm too on like Tinashe. I was trying to lose arm jakes in a car chase. Ended up losing the dots. Had me and Joe putting tuners in socks. Looking for youths in a mosque.
Savage.
Niggas know I'm a savage, I don't need no introduction. Make the young boys hit the up block and I send them there with strict instructions. Like go on the lurk, and anyone he catch in the area, put in that work, wet up his chest like Patrick Vieira. No one ain't getting straight from me. Had the rock in the sock and only. Them days could've stepped with a tuner. Caught all the girls who search and want me. Fun block, make driller, I'm top 3. If I never bust that AM, would've had 40 in my back like Henri. My girl said let someone else go match that work, why always me? A lot of men say they're on stuff, but talk is cheap. No points get scored on me, I'll get man down on my Jordan 3s. I'm like Balotelli in Man City, why always me? My girl said let someone else go match that work, why always me? A lot of men say they're on stuff, but talk is cheap. No points getting scored on me, I'll get man down on my Jordan 3s. I'm like Balotelli in Man City, why always me? I'll put 6 in the skin, tryna light man's head like the tip of the blem. Value my freedom, can't risk it again, I'll be stuck inside like I'm inking a pen. I'll do the fifth fight thing, if it's GBH then it's with it in 10. Came home, put tits on a Benz, so fresh can't picture me rolling. Just got 2 pack for my plug, if I need anything I can phone him. I'm a young boy, move like the kid from the Omen. That's nothing but violent settings. If I phone him right this second, make him slap you when he rides the weapon. 4-track suit and some 97s. Need a thing with a beam like Cyclops. When I pull up a crash, it's a write-off. Boys in the hood shit, pull up slow with the lights off. How many points have I scored on my ups? Oh no, I ain't been touched. The beating come like a whitewash. My girl said let someone else go match that work, why always me? A lot of men say they're on stuff, but talk is cheap. No points get scored on me, I'll get man down on my Jordan 3s. I'm like Balotelli in Man City, why always me? My girl said let someone else go match that work, why always me? A lot of men say they're on stuff, but talk is cheap. No points get scored on me, I'll get man down on my Jordan 3s. I'm like Balotelli in Man City, why always me?
So we see the mentions, and you know we always deliver. You asked for it, here it is. Burner, Mad About Bars, Season 4.
Man heard that the ops got, man, tell them up know what happened. Feds on my yard for M's, that's body and facial mapping. Long since my blade got wet, more time I jump on the right, start whapping. Remember them days and felt on the wing just preying up big back manning. Bam from my beak at local, torn up an X-man's local. Putting off work in all of my jails, like how many jails in total? And how many times I made man squat, you're a punk if you fit, that's homo. Had man pressure the legals, I had man pressure the socials. Putting in work in the roads and cells, putting in work in the trap as well. Picked up skates trying to decrease health, put down grub trying to increase wealth. Really in the full can't rap what I done, too many works that's under my belt. Gal holding me for the money or D, it should be mine, like tell me what else. Toured up wings and I toured up landings, toured up blocks and I toured up towns. Landed in scrubs, got shipped to the down. Soon as I landed, the ops like down. Burning the what, that's gun rate down. But me in the flesh ain't got no mouth. Fuck, work coming off the wing and in the block by the Volvo now. Ting did jam, so they made man sizzle. Lucky that he did 01. Ding dong with 3 raps in one. Word to my mums made the old block run. Wearing baddies, what the fuck they done. Burning the place, leave the old place done. Driller of the year, been drilling from years. Damn man, 8 even drillers of the month. Had I went jail for a mirror, had I went jail for a booting. Look when they're wishing on burner, I'm back, don't listen to the rumours. Put enough work on my old ones, I put enough work on new ones. And I ran man down in the necks and I ran man down in the boot ones. 15 bills on my jacket, touch or spend 15 on the chain. Any type of whack man, add my slap. Smoke on their back, shit, smoke on mains. Feds on the ops, they want me in a cage. Too many words that's attached to my name. Sitting on my bunk bed, piss for my celly. Judge to the debt, he gave 20 and change. Pull up in the night, man, pull up all day. Everybody know that I get man down. Really on shit, all block get taped. Sound like a quit when you hear that sound. Everyone wanna where we just rap drill. Beat him in the gut, then I shell him when he's out. Niggas wanna fence, niggas wanna chase clout. EA wrist when the drillers them bout. Got niggas in the shots, got niggas in the mount. why they wanna nick me for M's? It must have been word of mouth. And why they wanna nick me for skins? Is it 'cause we got too much clout? And why they wanna beg my friends 3 BDs soon come out? Back on the road now, talk of the town. Heard I went jail for a mouth, I heard I went jail for a booting. Look where they wishing on burner, I'm back, don't listen to the rumours. Put enough work on my old as I put enough work on new ones. And I ran men down in the necks and I ran men down in the boot ons. Heard I went jail for a mouth, heard I went jail for a booting. Look where they wishing on burner, I'm back, don't listen to the rumours. Put enough work on my old as I put enough work on new ones. And I ran men down in the necks and I ran men down in the boot ons.
There you have it. Burner, Mad About Bars, Season 4. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, download that Mad About Bars playlist. See you next week.
Hot stepping out with my blade with a sawn off dots from my knees to my waist. Jump out on use, assist my arm, aim high and shoot. Me and bro wanna turn man zoots, invest in dingers, trap and move. Bisky traps too, who also do up a chest for the crew. Rise and ride, skanks on peds with violent guys. Or 4 man stuffed in a ride, 3 shanks on mash, let's go and dine. Run down ops and spill their wine. He got then that's fine. Shout out Jug and free the guys, all 2 man steps tryna pierce my spine. Let's fill this weapon lurk, back my blade tryna hurt this nerd. He done a whole 1-6 with a verse, all up to now we ain't name one works. You gotta trap mash bread get first, my like her twerks, my phone is burst. I'm in a bando bagging up herbs, break down a box, put it straight on the curb. Let's talk about shotting, I'm on the ends, I do it no problem. Don is Quay, out in packs, he does it often. Now back to the violence, loose his sign but he still does chingins. Hey, what are you listening? Fuck the feds and free all my siblings.
Youngest and baddest, us man been them youths way before we made that song. 10 toes there in my 15-inch, tryna do someone wrong. The pagans lying the tracks, how the fuck these youths getting paid for their songs? I backed that mash, I didn't see nothing but bums and thongs. M-way trips, my driver's tired, the whole thing don't go wrong. Learnt round town, putting on cats, I do that with Don. Nothing but jewels and traps, no way can I lie my song. I really mash work on streets and I put that shit on my mums. This Barbie clocked my face so she tryna stick at her bum. I remember that day when me and 2 man stepped and shit got bun. Rapid response if pagans think they can ever come. If you see SD on Jazz on a late night, man just run. I serve them cats in the late night, you're sleeping, I'm chasing funds. I trap so on the end trying to purchase all of these guns. If the workers run with packs, I'm turning off pack drums. Try to take a little man away if you ain't got LM's funds.
Beats, baby. Rest in peace, like Harlem.
The life that I live is nuts. I do draws tryna get man touched. 4 man up in a blacked out whip, we do it tryna tape up strips. 2 man sit on the ped, I'm on the back with a loaded skeng. Feds want me back in the pen, birded off man, free my friends. I ain't tryna go to prison, and I ain't tryna meet that grave. I ain't tryna lack on the streets, bucking to me, get chefed up babe. Barbie's cat for the gang, 2 man ride with a loaded tray. You don't wanna be like your mates, back that blade aim over the waist.
This war will end, invest in skeng, tryna get man slapped. Me and Don brought down Zeds and serve these cats. Pedal back more 2 waps, no chance, go ask me. Anytime we get that drop on Jules, just watch the crash. They come to the ends of the new shit, cars and the whips get smashed. I was on the block, 2 man up and 10 of them dashed. I get so trapped when the air's enough keys, go check my stats. Sacked off broad daylight, tryna sang at hats.
All we do is ride.
I can't lack, I'm certified. The game my broski's 10 in about 6 years, he'll be back then. We got Rambos going through flesh, and Star 9's going through man's chest. Back on my blade, they leg. Swing that flicky and aim for your neck. I gotta trap and get this bread. Brought down packs, that's 18 Zs. Three of my friends in my set. Some got birded, fuck their feds. R.I.P. my hitter. I can't lie, that got me vexed. Anytime I set round there, no less than 2 and I crash at them.
Rest up my broski, essay the bad cheese, that's facts. They can't trap in the block, cause they know ain't safe for my smart as attack. I didn't do well in school or coddy, so I gotta get rich off crack. Barbie's catting to know my name, I told her relax. Skid around there on a 125 with a on the back. Broski's catting to sap this, mash up one of these twats. I bumped these youths so many times, one up with my splash. I stand my ground and then I pounce, tryna red round this splash.
You don't wanna see no insane. Step on your block, that's too much pain. G-Street aim for your chest. Complete that wetting like you is next. When I step out, aim for your vest. Back my blade, take out your flesh. You don't wanna get caught and wet. Spartans ride, that's game and set.
Free my bro G-Spook, she move real cold, he splash. Free my bro fat, he love going OT and serving cats. I gotta take this gal on the road, I just wanna G, I don't wanna be your man. Free my bro T, you got 10 years cause you went insane on a man.
M1 on the beat.
Zeno music, all day, every day.
Flick my finger like Deku. Two samurais like Deadpool. Drench my life on the mains, I'm mental. Hop out the car and mend it. David Beckham, I bend it. Fuck with the ops, get bone with the ops. I ain't got time for selection. Aim that whap out one direction. Now the whole group singing, bitching. Are you kidding? Get that drop. Stuff the whip with my children. SD with a mop. Ring it like you're cleaning. Double tap that dots. Now my oyster can't it beeping.
Man don't rap with a fuckboy. Stop asking for a feature. Ops gonna ride with a shank. We gonna ride with a beater. Bow. Have fun with your Z. I need a half box or Nina. Slap that corn off one time. Then it's back to the bando clean up. We don't park it off. We stay with it and bark it off. Broad day, bro, clout it off. Back in the ride, laugh it off. Bitch, no, you can't smoke this spliff, but you can hold this dick. Now she wanna hold this stick. If feds come, she gon' turn Georgia Smith. Man get dots, chop that off. Man get drops, let that off.
Park that off, let that pop. Run a man down and ching that top.
I know my rights, I know my wrongs. Step out of place, I get man gone.
Get man gone, dash a loss. They ain't no piss, fucking mugs.
Man get dots, chop that off. Man get drops, let that off.
Park that off, let that pop. Run a man down and ching that top.
I know my rights, I know my wrongs. Step out of place, I get man gone.
Get man gone, dash a loss. They ain't no piss, fucking mugs.
Let's go O and board these pricks. Trapping my spot, you're more than pissed. Wrapping up grub, I don't need love. I need to get down all these plugs. Hoop these stuff with tugs and snubs. Get round there and cause that fuss. Take that step, it's all on us. Tried and all on us.
Lambing up like I'm fishing. I can't air no drops like Apple. Kidnap youths, put man in shackles. Whack man's men and send example. Extend this arm. Call some bodily harm. Run from you, don't make me laugh. I'm a serious driller, hand on my heart. It's a riding pattern. I ain't put my foot in that whip. Don't take that risk. Wanna put me, I see you at 6. I'm a fucking demon. Stop calling, just sing like Dubsy. I'll fry a man like Kentucky. 9 gang on the whole of the fuckery.
Take that shot, you get the picture. Clean up that mix up. Get tripped up, then dipped up. Kick that door, I can tell you about stick-ups. Let's see who this dirty gon' lift up. Or leave man flat like a sit-up. Stay indoors, don't get hit up. Get round there, let's see who's realer. Man get dots, chop that off. Man get drops, let that off.
Park that off, let that pop. Run a man down and ching that top.
I know my rights, I know my wrongs. Step out of place, I get man gone.
Get man gone, dash a loss. They ain't no piss, fucking mugs.
Man get dots, chop that off. Man get drops, let that off.
Park that off, let that pop. Run a man down and ching that top.
I know my rights, I know my wrongs. Step out of place, I get man gone.
Get man gone, dash a loss. They ain't no piss, fucking mugs.
M1 on the beat.
Whoosh. Whoosh, whoosh. Sab. Sab two man, just sab them, run. Catch up the man, them grab them. Tempered tantrums, man's on action. Rude boy, better not mad them. Do the mash to the fraction, chatting with bro shoe, robot tax them. Browning calling me brown and handsome, I won't even give a reaction. I try run up at some wicked, grown or midget. Flip man's pivot. You rap the life but don't live it. Yes I did it, wish I could bill it. And let me state some facts. I did hop off the bike and swing for hats. I'm over gassed, hit yardos over frass. Almost hit can for a piece of trash. Garbage. Boy try run up and got tarnished. These times I wasn't an artist. Hardest, then I vexed when I got him in his neck. Cause these times I swang where his heart is. And I still gotta chase this check. Cause these times I'm looking at mortgage. Hate the gang, they just crosses. Talk the talk but won't walk it. Who hop out and try bark it? Who got caught by depth of the market? Go over there and chance it. That's hop out the whip, not park it. I didn't get this for free, I grafted. I love when they call me an artist. Cause when I back my shit, it's like rotted. Look, when I back my shit, it's like rotted. Thought I quit, I'm like rotted. Man came back and just charted. Look, man came back and just charted. Who put holes in them bastards? Officer, I'm an artist. Chest shot, see a man departed. Shut down Leicester, Brom, Liverpool, man soon shut down Cardiff. And I ducked down so many ops. Now I'm trying to work out who the fastest. And I love how I jiggle on my light skin ting. My brownies arse the largest. Fights. If you hold this whack, I don't care what no one says. Baby girl, you're the baddest. Back that, see the wall of them vanish. Fat back is chatting in Spanish. Boom, G-tan damage. Boom, G-tan vanish. I ain't even gotta get managed. Still got rocks in the tea, not lavish. That's rocks in the tea, not seaside. You got a chest shot, then you got revive. I got nicked NFA, not retried. On site, anything from B-side. Lurch from South Africa, then bricky. Back my side, I'ma get silly. If you back your side, but don't miss me. Step over there, I'm risky. Jeepers, creepers, grease and put slugs in beaters. Sneeze and put slugs in Aegis. Got G-Tap and put one in his t-shirt. Head just back or belly. Murder in my mind like Melly. A nigga got a face shot like Nelly. Roland just got a call from Kelly. And the ops them know about pain. How much of them got down Payne Street? Back road all them main streets. They dash but I can't change needs. Heads and shoulders, not no shampoo. I'm trying to change needs. They dash but I can't blame needs. They dash but I can't.
Fuse, the engineer.
Trap House Mob.
I see all you did a massive still.
Swear down. More money for this.
I did good use talking ching this year alone. How much man's been done? They act clueless, we do. We source the scene every time we come. How much time do we tape it up? They know from young they do this for fun. But it ain't gonna smoke too much. Armed and ready, spot get bun. AD really bully the beef. Everywhere we go on the map gets taped. Jump out in the slang man's head, he bow. You better go and hop that gate. I heard that we don't spill juice. Some to the ops stop being fake. Can't talk for the chest shot chingers. Too many times we spilt my bait. Think fast when you see the nozzle is funny. Something might just fly out. You're good, you don't do it. It's not worth it to get paid for clout. Don't get caught wrong side of the barrel. So in your movies, run me a shot. Bruce got one in his try not to drop, so I fist you. I try window ting on shop. D nearly writ off, you could go out shanty. Old school like Brixton Splash. They popped up when they jumped on Perry. You ying that down non-stop. Bros in the car making sound effects. You know I'm gonna spoil your bro. Make sure you bang me, you get that text. This dot's full to the brim. 4 of my coat gonna show man techers. Metal on me, it's a part of my fashion. You won't see me without levers. Your orders are pissed when I catch them. Stupid men don't walk with sheffers. You can't talk dirt on weed. Countless times we blood our splashes.
No angel nightmare done it. I stepped with 2, don't lack. Approach with caution, let's be honest. I got Nick, was locked for a moment. Jake stopped me with Wallace and Gromit. Utes on the wing, tried G-check. Asked my man, has he really lost it? Lean to the left on the right, the pet done sway, cause the brocky's popping. Head, net, Batman hit that. Blood start drip, watch your boy start coughing. She got whacked in a bando. Little does she know that her bestie's watching. Pretty little one, she cute. Hold this quick, let me roll this suit. Heard these man slip with the one proper cushion, my badness, how they dare. He got whacked on the ride out, caught next day, man, I made that clear. I'm the op that they fear. They take trips for pics and instead.
this year alone, how much man's been done. They act clueless when we do it, we source the scene every time we come. How much time do we tape it up? They know from young they do this for fun. But ain't gonna spill too much, armed and ready, spot get bun. Good youths talking ching this year alone, how much man's been done. They act clueless when we do it, we source the scene every time we come. How much time do we tape it up? They know from young they do this for fun. But ain't gonna spill too much, armed and ready, spot get bun.
I see all you did a massive still.
Swear down. More money produced this.
Lil boy want jump on road, I told you ain't fun. Combat ting, I'm back in that one. Combat 2, we rising that one. My ops are like hoes, I hit and then run. Y'all want fuck this, back out your tongue and suck on my wood and suck till I come. Don't be dumb, aim and bun. One, shell out the place, get fun. You talk about guns, but you ain't rising none. Shell out the place, get fun. You talk about guns, but you ain't rising none. Shell out the place, get fun. You talk about guns, but you ain't rising none. Shell out the place, get fun. You talk about guns, but you ain't rising none. All of that bread by guns, cause you ain't done shit since T got bun. Give me the drop, I'll drop that one. Flick that whip, that dick, then cut. Fuck you mean Lil M got touched? Lil M got touched by the guys I done. All the galley, them no man young, they'll still jump on my dick and ride on. North to the east and west, they all want sex. Open your wet mouth. Concentrate when I choose man down. Plus village, that's in and out. Don't gun lean round me, man, make man bleed. John Draco bow that wow. Man can't talk about chasing clout. The man were lost, I've been about. Lil boy want jump on road, I told you ain't fun. Combat ting, I'm back in that one. Combat 2, we rising that one. My ops are like hoes, I hit and then run. Y'all want fuck this, back out your tongue and suck on my wood and suck till I come. Don't be dumb, aim and bun. One, shell out the place, get bun. You talk about guns, but you ain't rising none. Shell out the place, get bun. You talk about guns, but you ain't rising none. Shell out the place, get bun. You talk about guns, but you ain't rising none. Shell out the place, get bun. You talk about guns, but you ain't rising none. Nah, brother ain't rising nothing. Big man, how you love you stunting, bluffing. Candy got you man buzzing. Family event, man clout at cousins. Real life shit on road on pavement. Mario Kart, that Shogun blazing out. Let brown ninja stops man out. Wear up your boyfriend, let man drown. Man know I've been about. From young I stand my ground. Man don't dance or lean, bro, lean and beat and take man out. Skirt, move away from the scene. Officer, I swear I'm unique. Bare palaver around me. Picture me, I'm only 16. Little boy want jump on road, I told you ain't fun. Combat ting, I'm back in that one. Combat 2, we rising that one. My ops are like hoes, I hit and then run. Y'all want fuck this, back out your tongue and suck on my wood and suck till I come. Don't be dumb, aim and bun. One, shell out the place, get fun. You talk about guns, but you ain't rising none. Shell out the place, get bun. You talk about guns, but you ain't rising none. Shell out the place, get bun. You talk about guns, but you ain't rising none. Shell out the place, get bun. You talk about guns, but